Chapter 3 MS PowerPoint 2010. Hi friends! We have already studied about a presentation software and how to create a presentation in our earlier classes. I think you could remember that now. Here we are discussing animation effects and how to apply animations in a presentation. Animation in PowerPoint. Animation is an interesting and exciting feature of PowerPoint. Animation helps you to add visual and sound effect to text, pictures, charts, etc. You can animate any number of objects on a slide. Animation effects. The animation settings can be done for each object in the slide, their order of revelations, along with the visual and sound effects. Animation text. How to animate text in the presentation? It is very easy. See here for what to do. They are given below. Initially, you now select the text 7 colors in rainbow. Then click More button in the animation group on the Animations tab. Then you can see various types of animation effects in the drop-down list. After that, you click on Fly in Animation Effect. As the next step, select from top right option from Effect Options. Then click on Animation Ping in Advanced Animation Group. Now, as the sixth step, do Start on Click from the drop-down list of the Animation Pane. Now, select Effect option from the Animation Pane drop-down window. Then, a dialog box will appear as shown in the figure below. Before the last step, applause from the sound combo box may be added. And finally, before confirmation, click by letter from the Animate Text combo box. Click on the OK button. After that, click on the Play button of the Animation Pane. You can see now your presentation became more attractive with animation effects as shown below. Animating objects. Let us now try to understand the steps to animate a picture in the slide. Follow these steps now. Select the pictures in the slide. Click on the wheel animation effect from the animation group. Choose 8 spokes from Effect option for the wheel effect in 8 spokes. Select Start after previous option from the Animation Pane drop-down list so that it continues after the previous activity. Click on Time option from the Animation Pane, select 3 seconds slow from duration and click on the OK button to register the duration of the animation. You can add different types of transition effect by clicking More button in Animation Group. Animation Order and Timing. The Reorder option in the Animation Pane box allows you to decide how to start the animation of pictures and in which order it should be displayed. How to change the animation order? Follow these steps as given. Select Picture 3 on Animation Pane. Click on the down arrow button. Now, the animation order of the picture gets changed. Timing option from Animation Pane. The drop-down list is used to decide how the text or the objects should appear in the presentation. If you select On Click, the next object will be displayed only after the mouse click or pressing any key on the keyboard. With previous and after previous options, it will automatically display the objects previous or after the slides, respectively as per your selection of the option. Motion paths. Here, you can create a motion path for the rabbit to reach the carrot. To create a motion path, follow these steps. Select Insert the pictures of rabbit and carrot. Next, select the rabbit, click on the More button option in the Animations tab on the Animation group. Then select Custom Path from Animation group. Draw path between rabbit and carrot. Click on Play button from the Animations pane window. Animate Smart Art Graphic. We can create add animation effects to an individual shape in Smart Art Graphic. For this, follow these steps. Insert a Smart Art Graphic from Insert tab. Click on the Animations tab, then click on the More button. Select an animation effect from the drop-down list button. Click on the animation pane, choose Effect Options from the drop-down list in the animation pane window. A dialog box appears here. Select Smart Art Animation tab and choose One by One option from the Group Graphic field. Then click on OK button. Preview animations. You can preview the animation by clicking Preview option from the Preview group on the Animation tab. Views in PowerPoint. PowerPoint has several views that allows you to see presentation content in various useful ways according to your wish. These are Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Notes Page View, Reading View, and Master Views. Slide, Handout, and Notes. Normal View. To get the Normal View, click on the Normal View option from the Presentation Views group in the View tab. When you open a PowerPoint presentation, the default selection is Normal View. It has 4 working areas like Outline tab, Slides tab, Slide pane, and Notes pane. Here, you can write and design presentation also. Slide Sorter View. It displays all slides as thumbnails. This view helps us to rearrange slides easily. Notes Page View. When you want to view and work with your notes in full page format, click the Notes page on the presentation view. You can add notes that may apply to the current slide. It allows making notes under the slides without affecting presentation in the slideshow. Reading View. It shows how the slide fits to the screen. You can see how your graphics, timings, movies, animated effects, and transition effects will look during the actual presentation. Slideshow controls. We can control by right-clicking on the screen and selecting relevant option from the pop-up menu. Pointer options. To mark up slides during a slideshow presentation, you can choose pointer options like arrow, pen, and the highlighter. To get pointing options, right-click and point to pointer option. Select any pointing option and drag the mouse to write or draw on slides. You can also use the pointer options command to choose a different color ink for the markup. End Show. It is used to stop the slideshow. Custom Slideshow. It helps us to display part of a presentation for a specific audience. Using this option, you can display selected slides depending upon the audience. To create custom slideshows, follow these steps. Click on the Custom Slideshow from Start Slideshow group under Slideshow tab. Click on New button. Select the slide and click on Add button. Then click on the OK button. Then click on the Show button. Hide slide. This option is used to hide selected slides from the presentation. Select a slide from a presentation. Click Hide Slide option on Setup group from the Slideshow tab.